So we're going to roll two fair dice here with the scores 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the first one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the second. And we want to try and figure out what the sum of the two scores is. So we're going to add these two values together. I'll pause while I do that. So while you were away, I filled in all the adding. You didn't want to see me add. And I've begun this table here with all these sum problems here, all the sum numbers here, and I'm about to put the probabilities in here. So there's just the one way of getting a 2. So that is 1 out of 36 because it's got 36 different numbers here. And clearly there's only one way of getting a 12 at the other end as well. There's two ways of getting a 3, and so on. Then it goes 3 ways, 4 ways, 5 ways. The most likely is 6 out of 36. That's that middle one there. So that's 6 out of 36 to get a 7. And then it goes down again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of those are over 36. I just can't be bothered to write them there. And the question asks us, first of all, what's the distribution? That's what we've just done. Now, the expected value of S. Again, we could probably see that from symmetry that it's going to be 7 because it's dead in the middle, but we'll do it on the calculator as well. Do we want to know the variance as well? I'll do this on the calculator. The variance of S and then the standard deviation of S, we'll figure out that as well as we work those bits out. So I've already put this in the calculator. So I've put all the numbers down the side here. Look, I've gone all the numbers, or the S numbers down the side there. In list 2, I couldn't be bothered to put over 36 every time. I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But of course, I do need to make these into over 36. So in list 2 there, I'm simply going to type list 2 divided by 36. And now they've all got their fractions there. Calculations, one variable statistics. See, it's got there that n is 1, I needed that. It's got the mean is 7, I expected that. And I've got the sum of the x squareds. So I've got 54.83. So take away 7 squared. That's going to give me my standard deviation. My standard deviation is going to be, that's my variance is 5.833. And the standard deviation is the square root of 5.833. And the square root of 5.833 is 2.415. And I can check that. I can check that. 2.415 is what I've got there as well.